With many clients, I did a dashboard that involved transaction data, basically bookkeeping or accountability. And if you don't have the proper data format to build such kind of dashboard, you increase the costs of the activity. In this video, you will see a case that I also discussed with a client I had. This person basically did the trading and they wanted to analyze the data using a pivot table that in a video you heard it as a specific case of query that uses the group function. And basically the problem is that they have dates as columns and not as rows, and this is a problem for building the pivot table. Let's see the dataset, and you see this mess, unfortunately. And here you see directly the solution, a conversion of the data structure. I remember a client that built this by hand on a Google Sheet, like the one you see, and then I told them, hold on, because if you do like that, you can't do pivot tables or a dashboard. Fortunately, they trusted me and they allowed me to build this kind of workable sheet. But the question is, how did they get into such dataset that gave them problems? And most likely the answer is that they exported the data from a web service that had developers that didn't consider this kind of situation. Of course, there are libraries that allow you to convert such data frame into this one. And of course, it involves automation and an extra step, as you can understand. In some cases, this is the only way, most likely as the case of this person. But if you have a spreadsheet or an Excel sheet with the same problem, we can have a first free call when we can discuss your case and see how we can rebuild your improper database, for now at least, on Google Sheets or Excel, even though I prefer the first one. You can book the call in the link you see in the description. Bye, and see you the next time.